Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. My classroom sounds like a percussion section. No matter what I do, my kids are constantly making noises like tapping their pencils or kicking the legs of their desks. It's so distracting. What do I do? I think sometimes we so seriously fight against this so much that we want to walk around the room. We want to be the center of attention. We want to mix up that delivery. I want to create some entertainment sometimes, I think, instead of fighting against it. But yet we don't want the whole class to unravel either. One of the techniques that might be helpful is teaching them games like chess. We know chess has some really neurological connections on helping people to focus and be in the moment and not wiggle all the time, because you can't do that. Any game like that, other board games that require intense concentration, right down to things like Jenga even, checkers, chess, Stratego. I mean, that's a higher age level. Puzzles, something that helps to actually train the brain to keep itself in check for longer periods of time. These games can be super helpful. So number one, start a band. That's a lot of fun. Move around the room, make yourself the center of attention. And the other is work on those neurocircuits in the brain and developing that ability through teaching them some games that teach intense concentration. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.